PS Plus July 2025 is almost here, and the wishlist is stacked with bangers like Resident Evil Village and Atomic Heart. Want the full scoop? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your gaming news hotspot. Today we're breaking down the PS Plus July 2025 wishlist. Sony's dropping the PS Plus July 2025 lineup next week, and fans are hyped after June's Grand Theft Auto 3 Definitive Edition and Destiny 2 The Final Shape. The community's wishlist is buzzing with massive titles, and we're here to unpack the top picks. Topping the list, Resident Evil Village. Capcom's first-person horror follows Ethan Winters in a terrifying village. With Resident Evil Requiem teased at Summer Game Fest, it's the perfect time for Village to hit PS Plus. Next up, Atomic Heart. Munfish's action RPG set in a wild Soviet alternate reality is a fan favorite, with a sequel and MMO spin-off coming. Don't sleep on Pacific Drive, quirky 2024 survival driving gem where you navigate a dangerous zone in a station wagon. Fans also want Final Fantasy XVI cinematic action, Metal Gear Solid Collection stealth classics, and Assassin's Creed Mirage's Baghdad adventure. Rise of the Ronin and Liza P round out this stacked wishlist. With PS Plus serving 47 million subscribers, a killer July lineup could keep the momentum going. X-fans are debating whether Sony will drop AAA hits like Village or indie surprises like Pacific Drive. This wishlist shows the hunger for variety and quality. Sony's announcement is days away, and we're betting on at least one of these wishlist titles. Will it be Resident Evil Village, Atomic Heart, or Surprise? Stay tuned for the official reveal and more PS Plus updates. Which PS Plus July game are you hoping for? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.